Today we are learning how to put data into our Desmos calculator online and find the 5-number statistical summary from that data. So it's similar to what we did for standard deviation a few days ago. So let's hit the plus sign in the upper left corner, and we're going to put in our data into a table. And I see from the first page of the box and whisker plot notes, we are going to put in on example number 1, the resting heart rates in beats per minute of a group of people. So 55, enter, 72, enter, 64, enter, 58, enter, 50, enter, 62, enter, 70, enter, 84, enter, 92, enter, 76, enter, 68, enter, 60, enter. So there's our data put into a column called X1. So now we're going to go down to row number 2 down here, and we are going to open up our little calculator or our little tab down here that looks like our keyboard, and go over to functions just like we did when we found the standard deviation. And we're going to hit on the stats tab at the top. And this time we're going to pick stats again. So stats. And when we hit the stats button, we have to tell them what do we want to find the stats of. We want it to find the stats of list X1. We put all of our numbers into the X1 column. So from your keyboard, just hit an X and a 1. It automatically makes it a subscript 1. And then there is our 5 statistical summary. The minimum value, the lower quartile, the median value, the upper quartile, and the maximum. So you can fill in your notes right there next to this example. All right, now if we turn the page in your note packet, we're going to do example number 2. So I'm going to X out of this data and start over. So I'm going to go to the plus sign, and I'm going to add a table. And then we are analyzing the number of games won by the Detroit Lions in their last 10 seasons. So 9, enter, 7, enter, 11, enter, 7, enter, 4, enter, 10, enter, 6, 2, 0, 7. All right, and that's in list X1 up here. And then we click on our keyboard function at the very bottom and go over to functions over here. Make sure you're on the stats menu, and then you're going to hit stats again. Oh, whoops, I put it in the table by accident. I should be in row 2 down here. 0 and 7. All right. So in row 2, we're going to hit functions, stats again, and I want to find the statistics on X1, which is the name of the column. I put all those numbers in. And there is my 5-number summary. So 0, 4, 7, 9, and 11. And that's how you find them on the Desmos calculator.